Hello everyone, it's Hanny with a new journal embellishment challenge, and this time number 40. Yeah, and the prompt is dog, and I'm going to make a faux postage stamp. I did that before, and I have an how-to video where I made these, not those postage stamps. I used a lot already, and what I use is book paper. I have a little picture of a dog, scissors, stamps where I can stamp the postage stamp, and I have little stamps over here. What's this? Oh, that can't go away. These are little number stamps, and I had these little stamps too. This is a dollar sign, and I had a euro sign and a pound sign too, but, well, they're gone. I don't know where they are. And I don't think I'm going to use that. I'm just going to use a little number stamp. And ink, of course. Where is my ink? Oh. It's so silly. I decluttered my room a bit and I can't find anything. I have such a pile of painted papers. I sorted them out on color, and I did it in some kind of file folder map, and it's gone. It's gone. I can't find it. It's so silly. It's very, very strange. I can't find anything. Really, I'm still looking. Well, it's gone. I'm not wasting any time anymore. So what I'm going to use is this book page, and it's just a page I used to glue on this side, and I'm going to glue one side and fold it in half. Like so. So it's a bit thicker. And I have a few scissors here, which I can use. And I'm going to try them. This is the normal zigzag scissor. This is a scissor with the glue is still a bit wet, so it doesn't cut very well. So you can't see it very good. Well, this is well, what postage stamps have too, but I think they are a bit big. You can't see it because it didn't cut right. This is a hair scissor. You can use that too, but you have very little thingies. But, well, I don't know what you have, but I like these scissors the most, and I'm going to use those. And I have another one. One moment. I have this one too. I like this one too, but it's very fine. How do we call that? I think I'm going to use this one. Yeah, this is my favorite. If I can cut with it. Yeah. So I'm going to use this one. Yeah, it's zigzag, but a bit uneven. So I'm going to use these scissors. And you can, of course, tear it. So I'm going to, well, how big? This is a little dog. Something like that. I should wait till it's dry. So this is not straight. Like I said, it's not dry yet. It's glue everywhere. So this one is better. So this is the base of my postage stamp, I think. You should wait till it's dry. But yeah, I have no patience. So this is good enough. It isn't straight, but I cut that later. This is the little dog I have, which I'm going to use, but I want to have something behind it. I'm going to cut a few more. Maybe I use another one. Use this one. It's not very important. It's simple to cut something like that. I want to have a bit background paper. I can do it with paper, I can do it with some burlap. Well, I wanted to use my painty papers. I only could find this little piece because I like painty papers in the background. So maybe I can use this piece. I'm just going to tear it. You can cut it, of course. But I like tearing it. It's very easy, really. Like so, and this one over here. I'm going to glue that on. You could use scrap papers or whatever, scrapbook papers, like so. A bit vintage photo around it. Could do that with the painty paper too, but I didn't. Use the dog. Could fussy cut it, but I like it this way. So I'm going to glue the dog on it. In the middle or not? No. Just like so, something like that. That's the dog. Now I'm going to use the stamps. The first stamp I'm going to use is a number. This is the 9 or the 6. Don't know. I have to look for my black Stazon or black archival ink. Where is it? Here it is. I found it. So, well, I'm going to use the 9 over there. Yeah, like that. And now to make it look more real, I'm going to stamp a well, a postage stamp. Could use this one. This is one I made myself. These are little ones, like that one too. These are very small ones. I'm going to use this one. My ink. Just in the corner. Yeah. And maybe a few of these over here. Just like that. So, well, this is my postage stamp, a little doggy. And I can use it in my journal to put it somewhere on a page or on the doily here or on a pocket, whatever. On here or on here. I like it on here. Maybe I do it this way. I didn't embellish this envelope. Could do it there. Love it. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Bye.